Hey folks, how y'all doing? I have want to start with some information about exam three. So exam three is going to be on Saturday, April 17th, which is a week from tomorrow. I usually try to give a little more notice than this, but um, bear with me. I'm dealing with allergies and can barely breathe a little bit right now. Um, but the reason I don't want to schedule it on the 24th is that uh, that Monday, which is the 26th, is your final spring break day. And I would like to at least make it possible for people to enjoy a 3-day weekend this semester before finals. And so I'm not going to schedule the test for a Saturday um, when we have that Monday off. And so I'm going to go ahead and schedule the test for the Saturday beforehand. That means I will go ahead and post a practice test over the weekend. I started working on one last night. We will cover some new material on Monday, but that will be the last day of new material on the test. And then Wednesday and Friday will be review sessions. If you are in the Monday section and you would like to review in person, you're welcome to come to the Wednesday and Friday sections that week. I don't have any problem with that. We'll handle that. And so this is your notice that we'll have an exam in a week. Topics will cover, the matching theorems, Burgess theorem, Hall's theorem. Um, It'll talk about the marriage algorithms, Gale Shapley, the national residency matching program, bipartite matching, and then the edge theorems, edge coloring theorems like Feising's theorem that we covered last time, and then we're going to talk about some vertex coloring theorems next time, and that will be the topics that'll be on this next exam. Um, the other thing that I have to mention though is that the procedure for exam three is going to be a little bit different. I've been giving people a fairly long window where you could download the exam in the morning and upload the exam in the afternoon. And unfortunately, it has turned out on this past exam that that was a long enough window to allow some of your classmates to take screenshots of the entire exam, upload them to various websites, and um, ask other people to solve the questions for them. And as a result, I have turned in this morning 4 names over to the University Honor System, and there is an excellent chance that these people will not be the passing the course as a result of this. And I hate doing that. It's the saddest part of the job that I have. It is a nuisance because it's extra paperwork for me. It's I have to um, write up a report for each of these cases. I will have to participate in a hearing next semester for each of the students involved. It eats into my time. Um, but the other side of the coin is that um, every one of you who is here in this program is occupying a slot that somebody else wanted. That only half of the people who apply to the College of Engineering get in. And there is a cutoff that they have to um, make for admissions to keep the program size small. And if somebody is holding on to their spot in the college by cutting corners and taking things away from another student who might be wanting that spot, it's unfair to that other student. That it'd be unfair for us to look away when somebody is cheating to retain their spot, and um, somebody else would want to have it. And so, as sad as it is that I have to um, turn people in, I it would be I would feel much worse if I didn't enforce the honor code. And so I'm making this announcement and um, letting people know that I am not naive, but I am disappointed about what's happened, and that I will be giving some thought over the weekend on how can I um, continue to make a test that's accessible to people, um, that is inclusive to people who have um, SSD issues that require extended time on a test, and doesn't leave the door as wide open as the last test did, because I don't want to have a repeat of what happened this past time. I'm not going to post any new material today because I wanted to make this announcement. I wanted to get that done, and I think I could do a better job of presenting new material on Monday. So have a good weekend. You take care.